Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Here go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the top plane. So we'll select here exit plane, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2 point center rectangle. From this center point, make the rectangle, go to dimension. Here define this width as 95 and here the height will be of 40 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Take the extrude command and take here extrude of 30 mm and okay. Now go to origin and here we will select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make a circle of diameter 60 and the second diameter here will be of 25 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here we have a movement here. Okay, so select here horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this top edge. Now go to line command. From this center make a line till this circle and from here also we will make one line joining profile. Now go to dimension. Here select the center and select the end point. Define this as 140 mm. Okay, and escape. Now take the line command and make a joining profile here and escape. Okay, now here what is being moved? Okay, this is okay. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile and select this back profile. Here we will take symmetric and take a distance of 15 mm and press OK. So this will be a joining profile here. Now we will make the top profile. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command, take 2 point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Okay, go to coincident, select this line and select this point. So this will be coincident on this face. Go to dimension. Here the total width will be of 50. Okay, and the height will be of 90. Now I want this at center. From the center point I'll take one side at 45 mm. So this will be aligned. Now here go to finish sketch, take extrude. Now I'll extrude it upside up to 12 mm and this will be also a joining profile. Press OK. Select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take center to center slot and make one slot profile here. Similarly, one slot profile we will construct here. Okay, go to equal constraint, select this circle and select this center and select the center. Now go to dimension. Here we will define the dimensions. The center to center distance here will be of 35 mm. Okay, and from this edge this center will be at 25 mm and the radius of this slot will be of 5 mm. Now take vertical constraint, select this point and here select the center. Okay, this is aligned. Now here go to equal constraint, select this radius and select this radius. Okay, escape. Okay, these are already been constrained. Now I have a movement here. So constrain this movement, go to dimension, select this edge, select this center, define this as 25 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here take cut and here I'll take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Go to home, go to top view, this will look like this. Now go to home view. Now I want a chamfer profile on these edges. Select this edge here, click on chamfer and take chamfer of 10 mm. Okay, select all the corners and press OK. Okay, so this will be the final output. Now I will give the appearance. From here I'll take the aluminum polished. Okay, so this will be the final. So this was a basic tutorial to how to use Autodesk Inventor commands to construct a 3D part model. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.